Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to our whole moving across Canada journey and our whole road trip and all of that. Welcome to the channel. So today is an exciting day because we are actually going to be doing a walkthrough of the house that we bought. We haven't seen this house in a while, so it'll be interesting to have fresh eyes on it. Eyes of people that actually own the house, so it's going to be a whole other experience. I'm so excited, I can't wait. Ian and Jenny are coming with us, Papa's coming with us. Today we're just gonna get a little taste of it and check it out. So I'd love it if you guys would come with us and we could show you our house again and the house that we chose. So let's do this. So we're on our way to pick up Papa Jim from his hotel, and as I was climbing into the car, Cale made a comment about my hair. And I told him, yeah, it's the new conditioner and I'm using Quench shampoo instead of hotel shampoo. It really does make a difference, I think. My hair feels a million times cleaner and it's not frizzy. And in this dry weather, even my stick straight Asian hair can get frizzy. But it looks great. I like it. We get the same effect from our conditioner bar, but the manufacturer of our conditioner bars hasn't made conditioner bars in a while.
And who might that be?
I don't know. Maybe we should fire him. Just kidding.
I agree.
No, but your hair feels, I mean, looks good too. Did you use the Quench shampoo in the shower?
Yeah, I use Quench shampoo, and like I could even tell my shorter hair than yours was getting very dried from hotel shampoo. And
a combo of hotel shampoo and this mountain dry air, I think. This higher elevation air.
Yeah.
Has a big thing to do with it.
My hair was definitely relieved to be getting some
Better
Quench shampoo back in it.
Yeah,
and then that other conditioner stuff that you use, I think, will be helpful too. So
yeah.
I use that too.
Doesn't it smell good?
Is that for women only? Or?
No, I mean, it's a very unisex scent. It's the Bondi Boost conditioner. I like it. It smelled really good in the shower. So it's another cold day in Calgary, but the snow is holding off, which is good. The temperature outside is at -6, which is chilly, but it doesn't feel as chilly as -6 would have felt in Ontario, I think. Do you agree with that?
I do agree with that. Yeah, walking outside it wasn't terribly cold. It
felt mild, yeah.
Dry or cold. Yeah.
All right, let's go grab Pops.
Dad's got a water slide at his hotel.
Do you think he used the water slide?
Hopefully he has his pair of gold Speedos. That's an inside family joke.
Is it? Okay. You're gonna have to explain that later. Hi, Papa.
Good morning, everybody.
You look good. That's interesting. I did, yeah. Does it feel so crazy that you're going to be moving soon? Yes. Your business? I can't believe it. This is surreal. Right? Yeah, it happened so fast. And
you guys sold your house incredibly quick.
We were just as surprised as you.
Oh yeah, Costco? Home, and then you didn't have much time to like get...
That's a big closet. That's right there.
It was like a couple days later you messaged.
Okay. It's 50 miles south.
So this is
It's wet.
the powder room. Nice size. And these are the stairs that lead down to basement, which we'll show you guys in a bit.
Amy used to work in DC, right? Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Pictures.
Nice and big. Really big pantry. I can't get over it. This is so nice.
Honestly, yeah, it looks...
Is it kind of like you remember?
Yes, it is, yeah. It's awesome. Nice extendable thing there. It's nice. And I think this is a soap dispenser. Oh, no, wait, hold on. What is this? That's a soap dispenser.
Is that hot water?
It must be, yeah, it's hot water.
Yeah. I like that.
Oh, cool.
I like instant hot water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love this corner window thing here. Awesome. You can look into your neighbor's yard.
So Jerika, we were talking about like they have like a...
They don't have their Christmas tree up, or maybe they like it.
This is so nice.
Oh, I like that one on the wall.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
13 years. So I finished
Beautiful.
university there. And then
Okay.
never left.
It's big.
And real estate is
My gig, yeah.
you're doing okay?
It's incredibly busy right now. Not a lot of inventory.
This is us going upstairs. Oh my gosh, everything just feels so big. Oh my goodness. Here, this way, is the new bonus room. Cale and I were looking at sectionals and getting an idea of what we want to do with this room. But oh my gosh, I'm just so stoked. Everything looks great. Oh my gosh. Excited about this laundry room. Love the sink. Love all the space. Oh, that light just turned on. Magically. Interesting. And then there is a guest room here and another room here, which is pretty sizable and would make an amazing office, which is what the current owners are using this room as an office. But just the idea of having all the space, it just blows our mind. It really does. Good size bedroom here. And then there is a second bathroom here, which is your standard bathroom, but I'm just so excited. I can't believe we're here. I love this. Love it. And here is our bedroom. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Look how big everything is. These tall ceilings. Oh, what's this? Oh, there's two sets of blinds. That's interesting. This one opens these ones, but you can put down heavier shades. But wow, this is the view from our bedroom, which is the road. Cale and I don't mind that. And over there you can see some foothills, and this faces west. So we'll get some really nice sunsets off of the deck down there. And then this way is our ensuite. Great shower, walk-in shower. This gorgeous tub. I cannot wait to take baths in this tub and then also film demos of my bath bombs in here, and love the high ceilings. Double sinks, which is awesome. Hi! Wow, this is just a dream. And there's the water closet. Oh my goodness. All of this space. Oh gosh. I'm in awe. And over here, these stairs lead up to even more bonus space that Cale and I are still not sure what we're gonna be doing. Right now they have the stage as a bit of an office. I don't know if we'll continue to do that since there's rooms in the lower level for that. But this area, this little attic area, Cale and I were talking about it, and we would really like this to maybe be like a personal entertainment space for just Cale and I, where we can set it up as a gaming room or something. I don't know, but the idea that we have all this space is just amazing. And this looks down into our bedroom, and this is the basement space. We are excited about this. So much room. Wow. Super neat that they have this drink fridge here. And here is the steam shower. It has a screen here, which is interesting.
Covered patio here.
This is our backyard.
They're slats, you know what I mean?
No more grass to mow.
So it will drip through.
Nice little run here. Okay, this is like a good little run.
Probably so.
That's what happens. And there's that incline that you're talking about.
Yeah, my handyman says concrete will crack and flat roofs will leak.
I have just a little
So it goes completely
I
left.
have your number.
Oh, you want to bring it down?
I
Check it out.
thought I did because maybe from
Yeah,
the
would you?
inspection. Yeah.
Oh, you have my email.
Oh, that's what it was, right.
Oh,
Look at
cool.
that.
Yeah, it's a Murphy bed. Oh, that's true. That's neat. Tons of space. Tons. Wow. This is crazy. We have this package full of lip balms for our wholesale customer. We're just gonna drop it off at the post office and then maybe take a little bit of a drive around Calgary. So we just dropped Jim off at his hotel and we were gonna go home back to Ian and Jenny's house, but we decided to make a trip to the Chinook Mall because we haven't seen it yet, and Jenny said really good things about it, so we're gonna go check it out. So our walkthrough went really, really well. It just felt so big and we are so excited to get into that house. I can't wait. At the same time, I'm also looking forward to the holidays with Cale's family. Cale's sister is coming from Kuwait and we haven't seen her in a while, so we are so excited. Being at that house and knowing that it's ours made a huge difference. How did you feel looking around our new house?
Yeah, that was an awesome feeling looking at it for the third time, but this time knowing that it's secured.
Ours, yeah.
In another month it'll be ours. It wasn't as staged as well because the people are in the process of moving out.
Yeah.
Everything was still there. You could visualize yourself in it. Yeah, really excited to get in there. We're gonna have a lot more space than we are used to.
Yeah, and I think that was the biggest shock for us because we are coming from, you know, our 100-year-old house to this new house, and we're just so grateful.
There's
so grateful.
So many things and stuff on the walls that control things, and like, I don't know.
There's a lot of gadgets.
Yeah, I need like a day-long education on how to work everything. Yeah. Like, there's so many knobs and buttons.
Cale and I are both old school in the sense that we have never owned nests before. Everything around our house, if we had to open something, it was manual by hand. Whereas here, there's a button for it, and it's gonna be a learning curve for this house, but we're looking forward to the challenge and we can't wait.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll know everything in the first few weeks.
Yeah. Where we want to go. So where are we? Oh, we're here. Level 1. So
we'll walk.
Okay, let's do it. This is so cute.
What do you put in there?
You would put like a little chocolate in there maybe. It's a really small compartment though. But I love that because then you could open up like an actual advent calendar and take all the stuff out of it and put the stuff back in there. That's so cool. We were actually surprised at how busy the mall was. There's a lot of people here and actually there's a lot of cars here. There was a bit of an accident right where we parked our car, so we can't even leave yet until the ladies resolved their accident because they've blocked us in. So we're just waiting for them to figure it out and then get out. Cale and I roll out tomorrow on our way south. I think we're gonna pass through Idaho into the States. So the next video is gonna be more road trip adventuring. How was it? Did they resolve?
Yeah, so it was her fault. She said that she hit them, but then she said that the person didn't want to give them her information.
Well, the damage seemed pretty minimal. I didn't see any dents or anything. I was just trying to close out the vlog here.
And then I came in.
On that note.
Intruded.
No, you didn't intrude at all. But if you guys want to continue following our journey, we still have to go south to Washington to spend the holidays with Cale's family. So there's still so much more to this journey. So just follow us if you want to keep watching. So until the next video, stay awesome and stay safe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Bye.